Dakabaong bakalong ka Rukom Pyntreikam Kaba Pyntreikam ba ka Jylla konrat ki sangmah nin kesngi ulaong ba ka Rukom ti Dewiong Katkum ka Jingstad Saian kalas dang ha ka Jylla. Habakren ba kila patai kubor usangma ulaong ba ki don bun ngut ki bre ki batrei ya ka kam ti Dewiong ki beladap ban apply ya ka license bat kumba khatsan haduk ka prangut naki ki dei ki belayo ru. Karukom ti Dewiong Katkum ka Jingstad Saian kan sasdang shen hadien ba ki nong ti Dewiong kin yo ya ka jing ai jing bet na ka benta ka kam ti Dewiong ka jongki. Katkum ka jing snow jong u ya kini kendon na shim Katkum ka rai jong ka yeng dorba Supreme Court ha ubenai naitung a hajar khat kendai.
The process for legal mining in terms of scientific mining, the process is already on. There are a large number of individuals, miners, who have already applied for prospecting license, and they have received it also, almost about 15 or 18 of them, based of course on the Supreme Court ruling that came out in July 2019. All these steps have been initiated, and let's hope that we will see some of the mining licenses come out earlier than expected. So we are keeping our fingers crossed, but the process is a very complicated process.